I'm attorney Shadi Shaffer from the Asset Protection and Elder Law Center here in Irvine, California. Today I'm going to talk to you about the importance of having a living will. So don't you love attorneys? We use all these legal language that can get pretty confusing because living will is also similar to a will. But let me explain. A living will is only regarding life support. Okay, so that is a document that says, okay, if I'm in a vegetative state or I'm in a condition that is terminal, and the only thing keeping me alive is artificial means and measures or medical machinery, it is my wish that if I actually complete this document and create one for myself, that through that document, it is my wish that the people I appoint or the person that I appoint as my healthcare agent have the power to pull the plug or stop the hospital from continuing the machines from keeping me alive. Now, a lot of people get freaked out. They think, oh my goodness, does that mean they're going to immediately pull the plug? And that is not the case, actually. The law says that we have to do our best efforts to keep that person alive. So hospitals and healthcare professionals, their job and their duty is to do what they can to keep a person alive. This document only comes into play when they've done everything that they can, and literally you're just kind of laying there in a vegetative state, and it's the medical professionals' opinion, your doctor's opinion, that you're really never going to have normal life again. The only thing keeping you alive is the machines, and so it's only through having this legal document that your agent can say, okay, we could stop the machines. Now, if you didn't have this legal document, if you remember Terry Shiva, the woman in Florida, what happens? Well, the hospital says, look, you know what, your sister, your mom, or your wife, or your adult child doesn't have a living will. They don't have the document that says we could stop life support. So guess what? You need to go hire an attorney. You need to go into court, and you need to get a court order that says, okay, we've seen all the evidence and the proof that this person is actually in a vegetative state. The only thing keeping them alive are the machines. And because you've proven to us that this is legitimate and there's no other options, that this person's going to have a normal life, and the only thing keeping them alive are the machines, then this court will approve that the hospital should stop the machinery, and they'll actually make an order and direction to the hospital and the medical providers to stop life support. So you can imagine that's going to take a lot of time, and meanwhile you're kept alive on this machine. There's a lot of emotional stress that's put on the family members, and not to mention medical expenses. So that's really huge. So don't put your family and friends through this. Make sure you have a document regarding your life support wishes called the living will. A lot of times it's also a part of the Advanced Healthcare Directive documents. So it is a part of that. As you know, I always say make sure you seek an attorney for legal advice for any estate planning documents you do. The healthcare documents, which includes the living will, is such an important document that you really want to make sure you have an attorney look at it. But no matter what, you want to make sure you have one in place. So thanks for listening. My name is attorney Shadi Shaffer from the Asset Protection and Elder Law Center. Take care.